How to cancel YouTube TV free trial on Roku. If you've initiated a YouTube TV free trial through your Roku device and wish to cancel it before the trial period ends, follow these steps to ensure you aren't charged. Method number 1. Cancel via Roku device. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the main screen. Number 2. Navigate to the YouTube TV channel. Use the arrow buttons to highlight the YouTube TV channel in your channel list. Number 3. Open channel options. Press the star button on your remote to open the options menu for YouTube TV. Number 4. Manage subscription. Select Manage subscription from the options menu. Number 5. Cancel subscription. Choose Cancel subscription and confirm when prompted. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Method number 2. Cancel via Roku website. Number 1. Log into your Roku account. Visit my.roku.com and sign in with your Roku account credentials. Number 2. Access Manage subscriptions. Click on Manage your subscriptions under the Manage Accounts section. Number 3. Locate YouTube TV subscription. Find YouTube TV in your list of active subscriptions. Number 4. Cancel subscription. Click Unsubscribe next to YouTube TV. Confirm the cancellation when prompted.